Today I used Evernote to organize some of my notes, thoughts, and to-dos into different notebooks. So I will start with my 560 notebook, and I did a few different web captures in these notes. First I started with the class schedule, so I had a really easy way to access the week-by-week schedule, as well as notating it with the work that I've already completed. I have a couple different professors, so I made sure that my professor info was handy in another note. And then I actually started to break down the badges. So I did web captures for the first week's badges, category 1 and 2, annotated it when it was due, and even highlighted the badges that I'm going to pursue for the first two categories. For week 2, I'm not totally sure, so I did the same thing where I highlighted the due date, but I actually put some notes in terms of pros and cons for the different badges as I decide which ones I want to complete. And then finally, I actually copied the site from the passport page where I added a to-do list to the instructions for this individual badge challenge to make sure that I didn't leave anything out. The second notebook that I wanted to highlight is my travel notebook. So here I'm looking at past and future trips. So I just completed a trip to Belgium and the Netherlands where I'm keeping track of expenses by all my friends. I'm looking at an upcoming trip to Hawaii. So I started to collect some useful web pages and created a to-do checklist and did some more both screen grabs and copying and pasting from websites with my own annotations in the screen grabs in terms of when to go. That's a big decision in booking my trip. And I am looking to go to Mardi Gras, so I grabbed the schedule and some tips for that as well.